is up, you guys? Back with another video, and today I read this article titled 8 Ways to Make Money from Home with ChatGPT in 2024. Now, instead of talking about the 8 ways, I have just pulled 5 of them, so here are 5 ways to make money using ChatGPT. So the first one is, of course, to generate business ideas, and the main point behind this is to utilize chat to brainstorm and refine any ideas that you might like to your skills and interests. And below are the pros and cons. The second one is to build a website/app, and the main point is to use chat that can assist in developing the website or apps, even if you lack advanced coding skills. But of course, the pros might seem simplifying the technical process, but the cons, as you can see below, are just the functionalities behind it. Number 3 is to create ChatGPT-powered tools, and the main point behind this one is to develop AI-powered tools like chatbots or writing assistants, and you can see those in the App Store or in websites. But below are the pros and cons to it. Number 4 is to launch online course. Now the main idea behind this is to use ChatGPT to create educational content and curriculum for online courses. To be honest, I don't really like this one, but below are the pros and cons. And the last one is to teach AI ethics. This is another one I didn't really care to read, but the main point for this one is to provide training on AI ethics to businesses and decision makers. At this point, here are the pros and cons to it. Again, don't really care for this one or that one. But let me know in the comments what you guys think about this, and I'll see you in the next video.